Hello everyone. Good morning all of you. How are you students? I know that you all are fit and fine, right? That means you really are very good babies. You are staying at your home. You are taking a precaution. You are taking a care of your health. That means that you guys are very good babies. Okay. Acha kids, I am back here with a new rhyme. Yay! It's a time for a new rhyme. Okay. Okay, now our today's rhyme is based on birds. Have you seen birds? Where do they live? Oh, they live on the trees in their nest, है ना? Or they fly in the sky. They flies in the sky. Very nice. Guys, you are very intelligent babies. You know everything, huh? Acha, today's poem is on birds. Acha, have you seen sparrow? How did she do? How she sing? चू 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 करती है ना स्पैरो, है ना? एंड हैव यू एवर सीन आउल? आउल आउल देखा है आपने? नो? ओके, आउल हमेशा नाइट में मिलता है. ओके, आउल हमेशा नाइट में मिलता है, ट्रीज पे बैठा हुआ होता है. ओके किड्स, नाउ आवर टुडेज पोएम इज about these two birds, that is sparrow and owl. They were talking to each other. Okay, they were talking to each other. Should I tell you how they are talking and what they are talking? Achha, first I'm going to show you. Like the sparrow is singing. Can you see this picture, babies? She is a sparrow, and he is an owl. He is an owl. Can you see? Owl is a night. The moon is there. Can you see that? And the sparrow is in morning. रात को sparrow सो जाते हैं और owl जागते हैं. और जो owl होते हैं ना, वो morning में सोते हैं, पता है आपको? और रात को night में ना वो बैठे रहते हैं tree के ऊपर. अच्छा, now our today's poem is about this sparrow and owl. What they are talking to each other. You want to know? Come on, I'm going to tell you. Okay. Now, Miss Sparrow, what do you do? What do you do? The owl is asking Miss Sparrow. Okay, Miss Sparrow, what do you do? What do you do? Creep all the day, creep all the day. Choo choo choo. चू चू चू. कैसे करती है स्पैरो? चू चू चू. वन मोर टाइम. मिस स्पैरो, what do you do? What do you do? Creep all the day, creep all the day. Choo choo choo. Choo choo choo. Sparrows choo choo choo. Okay. And now sparrow is asking Mr. Owl, Mr. Owl, Mr. Owl, Mr. Owl, what do you do? What do you do? Hoot all the night, hoot all the night, tweet, tweet, too, tweet, tweet, too. Very nice. Got it? चलिए एक बारी और करें अच्छे से. Miss Sparrow, what do you do? What do you do? Creep all the day, creep all the day. Choo choo choo, choo choo choo. Mr. Owl, what do you do? What do you do? Hoot all the night, hoot all the night. Tweet tweet too, tweet tweet too. Nice ना? स्पैरो क्या करती है? स्पैरो क्या करती है? She used to creep all the day. Have you listened this thing? स्पैरो जो होती है वो डे में creep करती है. क्या करती है? कैसे बोलती है? कैसे बोलती है स्पैरो? चू चू चू, चू चू चू। और आउल कैसे करता है? हुट ऑल द नाइट, हुट ऑल द नाइट। सारी रात बैठा रहता है, सबको देखता है और क्या बोलता है? कैसे बोलता है? ट्विट ट्विट टू, ट्विट ट्विट टू। ओके बेबीज, नाइस ना? अच्छा, इफ यू हैव बुक्स तो you can find this poem on this page number 8 in your rhyme book. That is this one. This is your rhyme book. Okay, you can find this poem on this page number 8. Can you see this? If you don't have book, no worries. Okay, you can learn from this video I am sending to you. Okay babies, chaliye, thank you so much. Bye bye. Take care and do learn the poem. Okay babies, and it is not important to send me on the same day. Okay, you can send me anytime. Okay, okay babies, thank you. Bye bye. Take care.